Hello friends, welcome to HSM Beats. Today I show how to use other phones using with permissions. But this is illegal. But using with the permission, that is no issues. Before that, we want to install that one app. We want to install that app in both the phones. Let's install that apps in both the phones. We already installed the apps in both the phones. Please install the app in both the phones. Let's see how to use the app. First is share, means we want to share the screen, that is the other's phone. Access is our phone. Just as touch the share button. It asks for permissions using the phone and the microphone. Just allow that. In the other phone, we want to touch the access button and enter this code. The viewing side, don't touch the enable microphone, because if you touch the microphone, other phone will speaker will as a sound when this phone has been sound. Just touch no thanks. Now see the how to work. I use that YouTube also. Let's see how to work. The both the screens has been the same. First one is viewing side and the other one is other phone. Let's see the both the screens. Let's see. Well, I want to type that in this phone and it also show in this phone also. It's a real time showing. Now see WhatsApp, I will show my WhatsApp also. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, please.